Tim Romero with Romero Insurance and Financial Services. We're locally owned and family operated with our offices in Port Arthur, Texas. We've been helping individuals, families, and businesses throughout Texas and Louisiana for more than 30 years. Well, actually, our beginnings go back a lot further than that. In the late 1950s, a high school football coach named Fletcher Garner began supplementing his income selling life insurance. He sold a lot of policies to the young men he had coached, impressing upon them the true value of protecting their young families with life insurance. One of those young men was my father, Louis J. Romero, who had gone to college on an ROTC scholarship and was serving in the U.S. Army. When Dad retired in the early 70s, he went to work with Fletcher as an agent of the independent agency group of American General Life. Eventually, he became truly independent, and Dad assumed leadership, and a number of years ago, he approached me to see if I might consider joining him. He wanted to be sure that his clients had someone he knew they could trust once he fully retired from the business. By the time I came on board, Dad was mainly just servicing his current clients. And since normally the only people calling the office were people who he knew, he would answer the phone with a simple, "Hello." I remember telling him that we had to answer the phone more professionally, and he said, "Okay, Romero Insurance." So we did. A few years later, we began working more and more closely with our clients on retirement solutions. So we added financial services to our calling card. I know that's a lot of information, but I like to tell our story because I am extremely proud of how long we've been helping our clients sleep better at night, knowing they have the right guaranteed insurance products which secure their financial futures. And we've always done so by putting our clients' interest ahead of our own financial gain. In fact, I remember early on when I came into the agency, and I had been in sales all of my life. And everywhere I'd been at the top of the sales charts. And I'd been to some of the best sales training that was available. And the one thing all that training had in common was they taught you that the customer had your money in their pocket, and it was your job to get it out. Dad quickly told me that's not how we do business in the insurance industry. We only put our clients first, never concern ourselves with our own compensation. I, the one with all the hotshot, high-level training, remembered telling him that was an old-fashioned way of doing business. He quickly and quite forcefully, I might add, replied, "It may be old-fashioned, but that doesn't mean it's not right. And besides, you put your clients first, and everything else will take care of itself." And you know, my dad was right about a lot of things in life. He was certainly right about this, because that is the way we've always conducted our business here at Romero Insurance and Financial Services. Putting our clients first with honesty and integrity, and we've been very successful. I mentioned that we are an independent agency. What that means is that we are not beholden to any single insurance company. We do this because not every company can have the very best product in every single category. I mean, one insurance company may have the best life insurance for people who are retired, and a different company may have the best Medicare supplement policy, and a totally different company may have the best safe money retirement options designed to meet people's retirement income needs. We have access to hundreds of companies which allow us to match the right insurance product to each of our clients to ensure, like we always do, that they can sleep at night. We have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau, but more important than that, we have a very long list of clients who have placed their trust and confidence in us to guide them through the forest of financial questions. How can we help you? Call 409-722-6739 or email me at tim@romeroinsurance.net for a no pressure, no obligation, sleep at night review.